Hey guys, how are you? This is Mr. Argueta coming to you week number 6. So well done. You are 1 week away from your final. You are 1 week away from the end of this course. Congratulations. Well done, guys. I am extremely proud to say that you have been one of the easiest classes I've ever taught. Very little issues, very little things to worry about. But wanted to get to this video because, as you know, I've been traveling back and forth to Chicago. I'll be leaving again on Friday, returning on Sunday. So it's just been a busy month. This week I'll be doing 3 separate trainings for the corporate level and, of course, managing the class as I usually try to do. But I wanted to get this video to you. I'm sorry I didn't get it out yesterday, Monday, but today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's to all of you, no matter who you are, who you're with. If you're sharing this with a significant person or just your loved ones, I hope that you take time to appreciate those that surround you and those that are part of your life in any capacity, as a friend, as someone you care deeply, as someone you're intimate with, whatever it is. That being said, tonight I probably will be having dinner with my wife here locally at Cyrus, a restaurant that we frequent because we enjoy and think it's great. But other than that, I just wanted to get to the class. So this week we have one of my favorite weeks in discussions. This is a conversation I mentioned early on. It's a video, but it's also a book. I think someone said they owned the book, so hopefully they read it. But here is a conversation of a professor that had an opportunity to do a last lecture. You'll see the video and it explains it, so I'm not going to waste a lot of time on explaining it to it, but talk to you about the purpose, the reason why you're here. Why are you in school? Why are you taking these classes? Why are you trying to get a degree? This week we try to focus on your purpose statement. This is going to help you throughout life because there's this concept that if you were in an elevator with the richest person on earth and you had a business idea, how would you pitch that idea to them? You have 15 or 20 seconds in that elevator ride to explain to them what your idea is. What would your pitch be? What would your elevator pitch be? That's what this is. What is the purpose? What is your pitch? What are you trying to accomplish here, guys? Why are you here? Because that's the only way. And I told you last week, things are going to get tough. We all have excuses. All of us do. Trust me. I can promise you that everyone has a story. And sometimes those stories are tough and hard to deal with, and you want to give up. And that's what this helps you do, is kind of focus on why, the why of this whole class, the why of this whole thing. So I want you to take time to sort of identify your mission statement, your purpose in life, your purpose in this course, and use that opportunity to motivate yourself. So this isn't going to be a long video. There's not a lot to talk about, but I just wanted to encourage you to take this opportunity, use this opportunity of going to school and getting an education to improve yourself, to better yourself, to make yourself a better professional at your job, at your career path. So I'm excited to read them. I read all the posts. I don't think I got a lot more to say other than that I wish you luck in the rest of the semester. If you guys need me, you know how to reach me. Love reading your posts. I love reading your comments, so keep them coming. That's about it, guys. I appreciate you, and we will see you next week. Have a great week. Have a great time. Take care.